So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to adjust the image brightness of an image here on Fotor. So once Fotor's opened up, I'm going to go and add a photo to my design. How about for this example, I add this pizza right here. If I wanted to make this image brighter or less bright, it's very straightforward. Tap on the image right here. Go to the top left to where it says adjustment, and then where it says brightness, if you want to make it more bright, you can go ahead and slide this to the right. If you want to make it less bright, you can slide it to the left. Kind of find the sweet spot right here on your image. If that looks good to you, you can go ahead and back out. And now you've made your image a little bit more bright, or whatever the case may be for you. So very simple, super straightforward. That's how you guys can edit the image brightness here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.